Hey everybody, welcome to the ranch. It's Monica and I'm in the kitchen this morning. Now, we are headed out to church here in a few minutes, but before we go, I wanted to start a crockpot meal. Yep, that's right. Before church in the morning, in the hustle and bustle of our ranch morning, I am putting some food in the crockpot so when we get home from church, it's ready to go. So before we get started on this meal and dumping everything into my crockpot, I wanted to say that I am joining in with a collaboration with Jeni from Jeni's Scratch Made Kitchen and Tony from Kettle Kitchen. We are doing Crocktober 2024. So make sure you go and check out all the videos in the playlist. There's going to be a giveaway on November 2nd, all the things. But right now, I'm in a hurry. I've got to get ready for church, and I've got to finish getting everybody else situated, and we've got to get out the door here in less than 20 minutes. So come along, and let's dump the stuff into the crock pot and go. But first, let's hear from our sponsor. All right, guys, let's be honest. We all feel like life can be overwhelming at times. We can get through our day and still feel like it's never ending. And honestly, that's where our sponsor, BetterHelp, really can come in handy. Let me explain. Our animals need us, our kids need us, our husbands or wives need us, our family needs us, our friends need us. Our chore list is literally a mile long. Sometimes we don't even feel like making dinner for ourselves because things can just feel overwhelming, stressful. You don't even want to do your favorite hobby anymore. Whatever it is, sometimes even hanging out with friends and family just doesn't feel like the best option. This is where BetterHelp will come in handy. See, BetterHelp's going to connect you with a licensed therapist who's trained to listen and give you helpful, unbiased advice. It's super easy. Here's how. First, you go to their site. You can use my link, BetterHelp.com/BlandsRanch. You answer a few questions, and then BetterHelp is going to match you up with a professional who's had years of experience helping people with struggles just like yours and mine. You'll be matched to a therapist usually within 48 hours, so you can get started fast. You can do it all from your phone or a computer, via phone call, video chat, or even messaging. Whatever makes you feel the most comfortable, it's literally the easiest possible way to start talking to a therapist. Let BetterHelp connect you to someone, a therapist who can support you all from the comfort of your own home, or maybe from the comfort of your backyard. Visit BetterHelp.com/BlandsRanch or choose Bland's Promised Land Ranch during sign up and enjoy a special discount on your first month. And now, back to our video. Guys, it's literally that easy. Okay, now it's time for me to go ahead, finish getting ready for church, and then when I come home, lunch is ready. Let's go. Honey, in the kennel. Good girl. See you in a little bit. Bye. Be a good girl. See you soon. Okay, we're in from church, and now I am going to see what is going on with this chicken. We got home a little later, but check it out and see what's going on. See what it looks like, and we're gonna have a little taste test. I think I'm gonna make some rice with this, so let's see how it tastes. So it's been on warm for about an hour and a half. Now remember, this was frozen chicken. So let's see if it's done. We're gonna do the fork test. done. Okay. All right, let's give us a little taste test. It looks just like really oily, and I'm hoping this still tastes good. Let's give it a little taste. The chicks want to bite. I'm gonna make some rice to go with it. What do you think? Yeah?
That's good.
Good flavor? All right, we got some rice to go with our crock pot meal here. And yeah, I'm excited to try it. Let's get a little rice. All right, take a bite of that. Elijah, tell me what you think. Okay, so Elijah and I are gonna give it a try here. It has been sitting and cooking for a little bit, and we are gonna try it with the rice. We mixed it with some rice. Okay, it's pretty good. All right, Elijah, tell me what you think. Pretty good? Mm-hmm. Tastes pretty good with the rice. We both like it. It's gonna be a keeper. And I think that the other kids are gonna like it too. So it's a super easy meal, guys, and I hope you try it and let me know. I think that maybe it will be better with some different dressing next time. I'm gonna like go back and look at the recipe again and see what actual dressing was used, because it says Russian dressing and I think the Catalina is what worked. I feel like that worked, but I'm wondering if like a homemade Russian dressing or like a Thousand Island or whatever, maybe that would actually work better. I don't know. It tastes great. I think it tastes pretty good. I'm excited to be able to keep this and put this in a rotation. Stay tuned because I have another crock pot meal. One of the ones that I've used, this one's a new one for me, but the ones that I've used that's tried and true, a really amazing recipe. It's coming out next week, so stay tuned, come back for that, and don't forget to check out everyone else in the playlist for Crocktober 2024. Recipe is gonna be in the description, and leave your comments. Let me know if you tried this, let me know if you have something similar, let me know maybe something you think would go better with it. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for coming along. We really appreciate you. Hey, who likes great, easy, dump and go crock pot meals? Farmers' wives do. Farmers' kids do too?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. It's all blurred on your face. Farmers' kids do too. Do it together. All right. See you guys later. Bye.